I'm Don with Webdroid, and today I'll be walking you step by step through fully assembling a custom-built PC for beginners. Full disclaimer, we won't be setting up any peripherals like keyboards, mouse, or monitors, and we also won't be installing the operating system or BIOS today. Drop a comment below if you want to see that video, but let's get started. So first we can install our processor or CPU. It's very important to understand that every motherboard has a chipset for specific processors. So our motherboards are configured for Intel processors. And when we install our CPU, you know you're doing it correctly by lining up the triangle corner on the chip, triangle corner on the motherboard. And you don't want to install the processor with any force, so you can drop it in, and when you latch it down, it will secure itself. We have our DDR5 memory or RAM sticks. We recommend installing them with the dual channel configuration. For this one, we will be installing directly into both gray slots. Here we have our GPU. For those fire graphics, it comes fitted with 3 display ports and 1 HDMI and a single fan, so it doesn't take up a lot of space in our case. Our NVME SSD. Our motherboard is fitted with 3 slots, but we'll only be using 1 today. Next we'll be installing our CPU cooler, but first we have to install the bracket which goes underneath the motherboard. So our bracket, so we have our CPU cooler installed. Now, only thing left to do is to plug it into our motherboard, and we will find where it says CPU fan on our motherboard and plug it in there. So now we've installed our CPU, our GPU, our hard drive, and our RAM, along with our cooler fan. Now it's time to put these components into the case. I really want to highlight how our friends over at MONTECH have already laid out our cable magnet for us. So all we need to do when we install our motherboard and other components is follow the track that they have and plug them in as needed. So we dropped our motherboard into the case with our I/O shield, along with our graphics card expansion slot. But now we have to secure the motherboard to the case, and we do that with standoff screws. Now highlighted with silver rings on multiple points of our motherboard. This motherboard has 6 standoffs, and we will secure them with the standoff screws that came with that case. The connectors that we need, such as for our motherboard and graphics card. It's important that we properly install our power supply because there is a cooling fan at the bottom, and you want to make sure that the fan is facing the bottom of the case or wherever the ventilation is on your case.